Okay, here's how to take the buckle off. Slide the keeper back. Undo the Velcro strip. Then when you get it over to the buckle here, you want to push clean webbing through. You don't want to be trying to reverse when there's Velcro on both sides of the buckle. You only want to have Velcro on one side of the buckle. So then pull hard. The Velcro comes through. Get it off of there. And then slide the buckle off. Once the buckle is off, you put the webbing through that large opening first. Get it through so it's clean webbing, no Velcro in there. Slide down that little bar. Put that little tab end through there. And this is where it's a little bit of a pain. Grab onto that tab end and just kind of work it through and pull it hard. And then once that tab end is through, it's back on. Put your Velcro back down and buckle.